What is Covishield controversy that's doing rounds around Indian social media platforms? What is the truth behind? Let's find out. A petition has been filed in the Supreme Court of India, apex judicial body of Republic of India, seeking formation of a panel of medical experts from All India Institute of Medical Science, Delhi to study the Covishield vaccine and examine its side effects, risk factors. The petitioner has sought the supervision of such a study by a retired SC judge. Further, the plea seeks directions to the central government to establish a vaccine damage payment system for citizens who got severely disabled as a result of a vaccination drive during COVID-19. In addition, the plea seeks compensation of people who were severely disabled or died because of the side effects of corona vaccine administered to them during the COVID-19 pandemic. Covishield controversy. Controversy erupted when UK-based pharmaceutical giant AstraZeneca admitted that its COVID vaccine could cause blood clot-related side effects in very rare cases. The Daily Telegraph reported that AstraZeneca, in a legal document submitted to the London High Court, said that the vaccine, which was developed with the University of Oxford, could cause thrombosis with thrombocytopenia syndrome (TTS) in very rare cases. The very same vaccine was manufactured by the Serum Institute of India (SII) and was known in India as Covishield. It is admitted that the AstraZeneca vaccine can, in very rare cases, cause TTS. The causal mechanism is not known. Further, TTS can also occur in the absence of the AstraZeneca vaccine or any vaccine. Causation in any individual case will be a matter for expert evidence, the newspaper quotes the legal document as stating. Reacting to the reports, AstraZeneca said that its sympathies goes out to anyone who has lost their loved ones. Our sympathy goes out to anyone who has lost loved ones or reported health problems. Patient safety is our highest priority, and regulatory authorities have clear and stringent standards to ensure the safe use of all medicines, including vaccines, AstraZeneca said in a statement. From the body of evidence in clinical trials and real-world data, the AstraZeneca Oxford vaccine has continuously been shown to have an acceptable safety profile, and regulators around the world consistently state that the benefits of vaccination outweigh the risks of extremely rare potential side effects, it noted. With that said, if you like this coverage story, please do hit the like button below as well as subscribe to our channel to receive more important updates from